This guide aims to provide a comprehensive, step-by-step process for using team modules in Zoho CRM. This guide is for administrators, team leaders, and new users. Team modules are in restricted early access and available only to select users upon request. To be eligible, your organization must meet specific criteria set by Zoho CRM. If your CRM account is a part of product suites, Zoho One or CRM Plus, then you can access the CRM for Everyone features on CRM Beta. Once CRM for Everyone has been enabled for you, at the very first instance, click Try Now on the release banner, or contact Zoho support via email, support@zohocrm.com, or through your Zoho CRM account to request access to team modules. You can switch between the old UI and the new UI at any time. Just click on your profile and under CRM options, click on Switch to Old CRM UI. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to create a team module. You must have access to the new user interface of Zoho CRM to access team modules. Switch to the new UI of Zoho CRM and navigate to the Modules tab. Access the Modules tab from the primary sidebar. From here, click the plus button. A Create Module pop-up will appear. Select Team Modules as the module type and click on Next. The next step is choosing a template. Hover over a pre-built template and click Use this template, or select Build from Scratch and click on Create. If needed, you can change the template of your team module from here just by clicking on Change Template. Name your team module by entering the module name, both singular and plural forms. Click Add New Field to customize your module further by adding different fields as per your requirements. After adding a field, you can set its properties, permissions, and configurations. Now, choose the appropriate folder within the team space for this module. After personalizing your team module, click the Create button to finalize and publish it. You'll see your newly created team module in the folder you'd selected. Create a new record or import records from your previous tool to bring your work into the Zoho CRM. To add advanced options to a team module, like subforms and sections, hover over the team module in the sidebar. Click the More icon and choose Add Fields. After making changes, click Save. To manage profiles and other actions for your team modules, under the Modules tab in the primary sidebar, hover over a team module and click the More icon. Here, select Manage Profiles. In the Manage Profiles pop-up, manage the actions available to a profile by checking and unchecking the different options. To save changes, click Save. And to set access permissions for a team module, select the Fields tab and set the access permissions for all the team modules fields, including those in subforms. Click Save if you want to make further changes. Otherwise, click Save and Close. Notes and attachments are vital parts of any record in a team module. Actions related to these are turned on by default for all team module profiles. You can disable/enable them using Manage Profiles and Actions tab for a specific team module. To add users to your newly created team module, click the Modules tab in the sidebar. Hover over your team module and click the More icon. Then, select Manage User Access. In the pop-up that appears, click Add User. Select a user you want to give access to this team module. You can set what type of access each user has by selecting the access type for those users and click Add. You'll see the selected users added to the profile you've chosen. You can repeat this process for other users. Close the pop-up by clicking X once you are done. You can remove a user or change their profile in the same Manage User Access pop-up by hovering over a user and clicking the Delete icon or Assign icon. To perform actions on multiple users, you can select multiple users to assign new profiles or remove them in bulk. To make changes to a team module, under Modules, hover over a team module and click the More icon. From there, Select the required configuration and start making the changes. Consider deactivating a team module when it is no longer needed or if it's causing clutter. Navigate to Customization and click Modules and Fields. In the Modules tab, you can toggle the status of the required team module to disable or enable it. In the Modules tab, hover over the team module you want to delete and click More. Here you will find an option to delete the team module. Click Delete. In the pop-up that appears, click Yes, Delete Now. As the org admin or the team module admin, understanding your roles and responsibilities is crucial for effectively managing team modules and ensuring smooth operations. Team module admins manage specific team modules and user roles within them. To manage team modules, click Configure Settings. Navigate to Customization and click on Modules and Fields. You will see all the modules for which you are the admin. You can make changes to them as you see fit. You can manage user access to the module through the Add/Remove Users option, and you can adjust the module settings and permissions in Configure Settings. Assignment rules can be configured to automatically assign record owners based on predefined rules. Go to Configure Settings, click Automation, and then Assignment. Here select Rules for Assignment Rules. Workflow rules automate the execution of actions based on triggers. Go to Configure Settings, click Automation, and select Workflow Rules for Workflow Rules. A blueprint lets you ensure compliance to processes within a team module. Go to Configure Settings, click Process Management, and select Blueprint for Blueprints. You can set up approval processes with multiple approvers to ensure that major changes are signed off by concerned stakeholders. Go to Configure Settings, click Process Management, and select Approval Processes for Approval Processes. To streamline and enhance the efficiency of your team's workflow, configuring automations for team modules is essential. Here's how you can set it up. Click the Modules tab in the primary sidebar. Hover over a team module and click the More icon. Select the required automation feature and start making the changes. Explore the full potential of team modules to enhance collaboration, streamline processes, and boost productivity within your organization. This guide ensures you have all the information needed to effectively use team modules as a part of Zoho CRM's next-gen UI, enhancing your team's ability to collaborate and manage customer relationships.